Alright, this is video 7 for chapter 4.8. This is the fifth indeterminate form. I know I said earlier that there were only four, but I forgot about one. Apologies. So this one is when we have a situation where we have infinity to 0, which is bad. You can't have 0 to 0, you can't have infinity to 0. So this one, if we plugged in 0, would be 1 minus 1 over 0 raised to the 0 power, which is negative infinity to 0, which is same as infinity to 0. All right, so I'm going to do a similar trick like we did with previous problems. I'm going to write this equivalent to y. Take the natural log of each side. Because it's a natural log, I can bring the x down, the exponent. And now I can do the little 1 over x trick. So I can multiply by 1 over x times 1 over x, where the numerators cancel, and I'm left with ln of y, limit x equals 0, ln of 1 minus 1 over x, all over 1 over x. All right, so let's move over here. So I leave ln of y alone. I can now use the L'Hopital's rule. And the derivative of the numerator is, again, it's a natural log, so it's going to be 1 over that value, 1 minus 1 over x, multiplied by that derivative. So that's going to be 1 over 1 minus 1 over x times the derivative of this. So we've got a negative 1 over x. So the derivative of negative 1 over x. So if let's see, f of x equals negative x to the negative 1, then f prime of x equals 1 x to the negative 2. All right, so then this is going to be 1 over x squared. And that's the chain rule part of that. I forgot my limit. So all of this is going to be over the derivative of 1 over x, which is the same thing, only it's minus. So minus 1 over x squared. So the only change from what we have up here is that the negative is gone originally. So these cancel. Other than the negative, we keep this. So we have negative 1 over 1 minus 1 over x. We can multiply through by x over x. Put this in a form we like. So we have negative x over x minus 1. So if we do this, this equals 0 over negative 1. Okay, so that's going to equal 0. So we have ln of y equaling 0, which means y equals e to the 0, which is 1. And there you have it.